This is a video up by Paws. This is a waterfall by Paws here in Norwalk. That is so neat. Like right in the parking lot. This is so beautiful. Please do it for YouTube. It's October 2nd, 2023. This is a waterfall by Paws here in Norwalk. Please like, comment, share on your social media with everybody, and also about Paws, because there's lots of cats and kittens up for adoption and dogs. So please call them and they can put me come and see some of the wonderful animals up here. But I had to do this. This is really neat. You know what? Please like my page on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you.